Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. So guys, on today's recipe we are going to be making healthy turmeric face scrub or face mask, however you like to put it. Here are the ingredients. You'll be needing some turmeric powder, you'll be needing some rice flour, you'll be needing fresh lemon juice, you'll be needing some oil and banana peels. So guys, the video is self-explanatory. The procedures are very simple and easy to grab. These are natural remedies. It doesn't guarantee miracle unless you are constant with it. I would also like to put this straight to anyone out there. If you are using strong bleaching cream or strong bleaching soap, I would not advise you to go in for these remedies because it might make a kind of a funny reaction which you will not like. So it's either you stick to natural remedies, natural stuff, or you stay with your bleaching stuff. So the choice is yours. If you know your skin is sensitive and can't stand lemon juice, you can also use orange juice. It is vitamin C loaded, so we just need some good healthy property of vitamin C. So I choose to use lemon juice because my skin can stand lemon juice, and moreover it is very strong. It has this very strong antioxidant, and it also has this great property to lighten your skin, fade dark spot and all. So with turmeric, as you can see, I just added some drops some turmeric. I'm adding my rice flour. Rice flour is also great to improve skin quality, skin brightness, and also make your skin whiter, lighter if you are aiming for a fairer complexion. I'm going to combine these three great bleaching ingredients together. Then I will add my oil. Please, you can add any oil of your choice. I use sunflower oil because it is almost odorless, and I love sunflower oil because it's super moisturizing and it is very cheap or affordable. You can go in with any oil of your choice. If you want to use almond oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, any of your oil of your choice. The important thing it is just add oil, because when you are scrubbing with it, while doing your scrubbing, the oil will stay there as a barrier, as a kind of a prevention, or the oil will be there to help moisturize your skin while you grading or you're scrubbing your skin, so you will not get your skin broken or damaged. So guys, this is me applying some of my mixture on my cut banana. You can grate this process, or you want to mash your banana piece, you can mash them, but I choose to use it this way. Don't make your mixture over running. If you make it over running, you are going to dirty off yourself or stain off yourself, because turmeric is very pronounced. So this is me applying my mixture with my banana piece, because banana piece also is great when you are trying or aiming for a smoother skin. You want a very smooth skin, use banana peels. The fresh or dry one, use it. They are very rich, and they are super loaded with antioxidant. So combining all these natural ingredients together, use it to scrub your face. So guys, the waiting procedures for this mask is 5 to 10 minutes depending on your skin tolerance, or if you can wait or allow it to be dry, it will be more better. You get to know it is time to wash when it is dried, or just put a timer, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends on your skin tolerance. So guys, my waiting time is over. All I'm going to do, go in there and wash with a lukewarm water. I said a lukewarm water. And please, you can see I still have my white shirt. I didn't put on any towel while applying my mask. Make sure your mixture is not extra runny, because if it's extra runny, you're going to mix up yourself and your surroundings because of the turmeric powder involved in it. This process is a natural whitening process which you can do, and it is not magic if you just do it once and forget about it, but it will give you result if you are consistent in it. I do have various form of natural skincare fix, especially fix on my channel. You can check anyone that is suitable for you. They are all for generally for all skin type because they are natural ingredients. But the fact that they are also natural ingredients doesn't make means you won't be allergic. Please be mindful of those ingredients, and don't forget to subscribe if you find my channel interesting. All right, guys, this is my final look after the treatment. My face, you won't believe it, it is super smooth. When I mean smooth, when you touch the feelings alone is so satisfying. All right, guys, let me give you some quick tips. You can see my face is not red because I wasn't hard on my face. I was just doing the scrubbing gently without not aggressive force. So please don't scrub aggressively. If not, you are going to have a very reddish result. All I did was to go in with my favorite face moisturizer, which I have the video on my channel on how I achieve my face moisturizer. Give my face a very warm pampering moisturizing cream, and this is all. So guys, this video is self-explanatory, very unique. If you want to try, easy and fashionable, and this is beauty with zero cost. All you just need is time. Dedicate some time to yourself and your face and you will be beautiful. So guys, this is all for this video. And if you like my content or you love this particular video or you want to try, just let me know on the comment section and I will be very glad you did. And if you have some question, drop it in the comment section. If you have a recipe or a face care routine you want me to try for you, let me know also in the comment section. Until next time I come across your way again, my name is Susan of Glossy Tips. Stay blessed.